Good evening, everybody.
Good evening.
On behalf of Dhumketu, I invite you all here this evening. Dhumketu, this is the 58th year, Amateur theatre group could survive for such a long time. It's a great achievement. But of course, not regularly, like our name justified Dhumketu, like comet. We sometimes disappear and they again reappear. Because we are also getting old, and this is the most redeeming feature that the mantle is being handed over to the younger group. So this is the time again we can really, we are the founder members, we feel happy and proud of it. This play was staged in 2017, and after 7 years it is being staged here with naturally done modifications. So I must mention you one person's name. He is our mentor, that is Sri Harihar Bhattacharya, late Harihar Bhattacharya. He told us to make meaningful theatre, not just ordinary theatre for entertainment only. And that legacy is passed on to them. You will decide whether it is meaningful or not. I won't take much of your time, but I must thank Deshbandhu Chittaranjan Memorial Society for allowing us this space without any cost. Thank you so much.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm so happy you all finally made it to my theme party. This isn't just any party. It has a magical mix of enchantment, a sprinkle of wonder, and a little bit of everything fun. I have also prepared a play for you all. Are you ready? My goodness, I forgot to introduce myself. Myself, Princess Ansonia. Not your everyday princess. I am a Disney princess. I am also Snigdha's toy in the play. She is my best friend. Can I tell you all a secret? Only you and Snigdha can hear me speak. There's another character in the play who can't be heard by all. That's because he is dead. And that would be Dadaji. You will meet him soon, don't worry. And all the characters in the play have double role. How delightful! I know you're excited. But as every gathering has some rules, so does mine. Rule number 1. Switch off your phone or put it on silent mode. The virtual world can wait for an hour. Check it once more. I don't want to have any noise to disrupt my play. Rule number 2. No flash photography. It breaks the spell of the moment. I hate it. Number 3. Keep your thoughts and questions ready for the end. All will be revealed in no time. And lastly, as independent artists, we need your support. There are QR codes all around for you to contribute as you like. So, without further ado, let's begin the journey of This Is How We Live. See you!
आज बाहर बारिश बहुत तेज है। आगे के सारे रास्ते आप बंद समझो। अब कोई भी गाड़ी यहाँ से आगे ना आ सकेगी ना जा सकेगी। लो जी, तूफान तो लगता है अभी और तेज होगा। अरे कुछ लोग तो इसी तरफ आ रहे हैं।
See, that's a homestay. It's our last hope.
এখানে খুব জোরে বৃষ্টি হচ্ছে। You know how I love to get wet in the rain, but this is just crazy, yeah? Very well, just cut all the trees and make roads and hotels. Just disgusting. Chal.
Chal, let's go. Hi. Hello.
वेलकम वेलकम।
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
The car couldn't have gone anywhere further.
No way.
Looks like there's a landslide here.
Terrible, yeah.
Oh my god, what's going to happen to my holiday plans?
Gone.
Where are we going to stay tonight?
Hey, can you see that homestay sign across the road? They may be able to help us. Chalo, let's check it out. See. Someone is flashing a light even at us. Chalo, let's go. Hi. So nice meeting you.
Same lovely, please.
Thank you for getting us in.
Thunder.
Hi, everyone. Hi.
Hi. My name is Snigdha.
Hi, Snigdha.
And this is my favorite toy.
Oh,
I got it on my 5th birthday.
and she travels with you everywhere.
Of course she does. And that is my childhood best
Hi,
friend.
I'm Shubhit.
Hi, I'm Uma.
Hi.
This is Joy.
Hi, Joy.
And I am Anu,
Hi.
Oh,
your
Thanks
host
for
for
you.
the evening।
Thanks for being
आप
the
सब
savior.
लोग ये बाहर बारिश में भीग के काफी गड़बड़ा गए होंगे। I think चाय would do।
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
That will be lovely.
Yes.
There you are।
Thank you. Pahade homestay, like this is just like a dream. This is exactly what I wanted to learn at this phase of my life.
Maybe by mistake we've reached the right place.
Totally agree. I have to get some photographs later.
Go ahead.
ये बाहर की बिजली बारिश देख के आप लोग थोड़े घबरा गए होंगे। But
बिल्कुल।
please be rest assured that this place is totally safe। My life partner and I, we are architects and we have built this place using traditional methods for mountain architecture।
How lucky.
Amazing.
तो आप कह सकते हैं कि आज की रात तो आप totally safe हैं।
Thank
Wow,
God.
this is so inspirational, Arunji. Where is your life partner? Can I meet her?
That would be him, विजय। वो शहर गया है to restock the supplies, so unfortunately आज तो नहीं मिल पाएंगे।
Oh, I'm so sorry for my assumptions, but that's lovely.
अरे that's okay, enjoy your tea।
Thanks.
Thanks for it.
Thank you for it.
So, Shubhit, Snigdha,
Yeah?
you guys are backpacking in the mountains.
Kind of.
Wow, that must be fun. We didn't do this, yeah. हमारे
I
time में,
wish we had.
पर actually ना, हमारे जमाने में ये सब allowed ही नहीं था.
Really?
Yes, we are. We are actually just returning from a trek.
हाँ.
But trust me, much hasn't changed since your time.
I agree.
After fighting with my mother and promising I don't know what all in barter,
Ah.
she finally agreed to let me come. But she wants 24/7 updates. I will go mad.
Moms are like that.
Seriously.
You have reminded me of my strict mother।
ऐसा है क्या?
I was terrified of her, but I think your generation has more freedom, man।
No, no way.
क्या बात हुई?
India's Sundar Sushil girls go freedom. How can that happen? That's not allowed. Our life is a contract dedicated to servitude.
My God.
We're always answerable to someone else.
I have to agree. We humans have turned this world into a prison for ourselves. I just don't get it why we are hell bent on making life more of a punishment, say, but rather than joy.
Yes, absolutely. I agree. See, this is my childhood best friend. But he is a boy. So it's wrong to travel with him alone. Although it's completely okay to marry a complete stranger in an arranged match.
Our society for you.
Totally.
Well, things wouldn't be different even if he was a girl.
क्यों?
Imagine a plight, two girls traveling alone in an unsafe country like ours.
Ah.
we're not winning anytime soon. Everything is still the same, just nowadays we've gotten better at packaging those same lies. We act all cool and global on our social media, but in reality we're more feudal than ever before.
You are hypocrites. The word is hypocrites in this real world.
Totally.
Sheta, ठीक बोल छो, but at least some of you get to live life as per your own dreams and now.
Completely.
By the way, Arun, I love what you have done with the homestay.
I agree.
Very impressive.
To be honest, I am actually thinking that I should just give up that booking wherever up in the hills it is and just stay put here.
Great idea.
Hey, we should do all that. Huh?
Done, Bukka.
Only if you have rooms available.
ऑफ कोर्स जॉय, अभी कुछ रूम खाली है, आप और आपकी वाइफ आराम से रह सकते हैं.
Thank you.
Arun ji, he's not my husband. Is it still okay?
चलो इक्वल हो गया हमारे assumptions का स्कोर. आई एम सो सॉरी.
It's
I
all right.
love what you have done with this place. I've got some great photographs. Let me show you.
He
Wait.
is an amazing
Ah.
photographer. You have to
Acha,
see.
Uma, why do you have to tell everyone that we are not husband-wife? Yeah? Completely unnecessary.
He told us about his relationship now.
I know, but
He seems safe, यार. और अभी हो गया मेरा ये hiding, denial, और नहीं होगा मुझसे. I want to live my life on my own terms, my own context, यार.
चलो.
Excuse me, Uma. I'm so sorry. I just overheard you. But I agree with you. Consenting adults के बीच में किसी को अपनी नाक और कान नहीं घुसाना चाहिए.
Agree.
सही बात.
एटलीस्ट मैं नहीं घुसाता हूँ.
Hmm.
इनफैक्ट मैं ऐसी बातों से तंग आकर ही अभी कुछ टाइम पहले यहाँ आया.
अच्छा.
एक्चुअली मैंने अपनी कॉर्पोरेट जॉब छोड़ दी,
Oh.
तो लोग मुझे फ्री का ज्ञान देने लगे. That I am making a dangerous career move.
Yeah.
Some even said that it's a professional suicide. अरे भाई, अपना ज्ञान अपने पास रखो, है ना? I have decided to start my own homestay after having a thorough financial plan and brainstorming with my friends, mentors,
I'm sure.
family members. लेकिन नहीं, हाँ, बिल्कुल नहीं. पड़ोसियों को कहाँ चैन है? शर्मा जी, मेरे पापा को WhatsApp किए जा रहे हैं that he should be really worried that his son is not minting crores anymore.
God.
छोड़ा यार.
Yeah. But I tell you, I seriously think that you guys are really lucky. You know, I tell you why. Even if you come from a generation earlier than ours, but you are doing what you really like. You know, living your life. वरना हमें देख लो. Like her parents are furious on her. Apparently, her life belongs to their master plan, and she is just a clueless intern.
Poor thing, yeah.
I told them that I will reach home late because of this landslide.
Ah.
Well, nature, what can I do? Logical. But no, they refuse to listen to logic.
I can very well see you will be under house arrest once you return back home.
Do we need to fit in and live the same predestined stories?
Bans, control, repression, restriction. These all today seem to be the order of the day, you know. What I eat, what I read even, what I wear, what I think, what I want to do with my own money. What I think. Somebody wants to control all of that, and some people wants to keep us on a short leash. Do I have any basic rights? Some liberties? Some freedoms in this democracy? Ha! That brings me to it, democracy. Are we really progressing as society, or simply just regressing backwards and turning into slaves again? Chha.
But will the world function if everyone does their own thing?
Yeah.
Don't we need some rules, to keep us all on track?
Or maybe just let go of these repressive orders. These outdated structures. And how about we self-regulate ourselves? Huh?
सब कुछ.
Yeah.
Well, in my experience, सब कुछ तो नहीं ब्रेक कर सकते.
हाँ.
और सब कुछ माना भी नहीं जाता।
Okay.
Too many them go to rules। और सब एक ही तरह से जीकर कैसे खुश रह सकते बताइए, है ना? और इस खुशी के मायने भी सबके लिए अलग है। जैसे एक छोटे बच्चे को चॉकलेट की खुशी मिलती है ना? कुछ लोगों को शहरों में, आप लोगों को एक लंबी छुट्टी में और हम जैसे लोगों को भाई पहाड़ों में। तो जब खुशी के मायने अलग हैं तो हम एक ही रैट रेस में क्यों दौड़े?
सही बात है?
लेकिन नहीं दे रहा ना सोसाइटी ये पर्सनल फ्रीडम मुझे। हाउ मच ऑटोनॉमी डू आई हैव ऑन माय ओन डिसीजंस?
Well, okay, as Snigdha said, maybe there are no accidents in this world. Acha, we have the entire night in front of us, right? Now, how about we share a story from our lives? That's going to be great, right? I mean, that will help us know each other better, okay?
Totally for it.
Come
Great
on,
idea.
one story from our lives. What's it?
Done।
ओके
ओरे मनवा तो बावरा है, तू ही जाने तू क्या सोचता है, तू ही जाने तू क्या सोचता है बावरे, क्यों दिखाए सपने तू सोते जागते, जो बरसे सपने बूंद बूंद बह जाए बूंद बूंद, कैसे मैं चलूं देख ना सकूं अनजाने रास्ते, गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा, गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा, गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा, गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा।
This is the story of Arun and his partner Vijay.
ये मैं हूँ, ये मेरा फ्रेंड विजय। विजय और मैं दो यंग आर्किटेक्ट्स। We met at our first job.
And we hit it off from the very first day. There was this strange spark, this strange connection between us right from the very beginning.
हम दूसरों से ही नहीं, हम अपने आप से भी झूठ बोलते थे। I was so scared and ashamed.
For years, we were just hiding each other and our own identity. Even though our feelings kept coming in between each other every single time, no matter how hard we tried to hide them.
हमने कोशिश ही नहीं की, क्योंकि हम जानते थे हमारे फ्रेंड्स, रिलेटिव्स, कलीग्स, ये सोसाइटी हमें कभी एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेगी। For years, we lived two lives. One where we did what the society told us was acceptable.
And the other life, you know, our secret life, where we used to meet each other, where we were just happy together. And then one day he cut himself off from my life completely. परिवार के दबाव में आकर इसने शादी कर लिया। जाहिर सी बात है, जैसे सबको लगता है शादी करने से सब ठीक हो जाएगा, इसने भी वही किया। और तो और, he also had a son very soon.
लेकिन मेरी एक्स वाइफ very soon she could see through all of it, that I was betraying her and myself. Initially, she was really angry with me, but I guess she was definitely braver than both of us. She was the one who confronted me and forced me to face my reality. Because of her friendship and support, I'm able to live my authentic life. She gave me the courage to follow my heart. Follow my heart.
और मैं तब तक अपने फैमिली के साथ पहाड़ों में शिफ्ट हो चुका था। असल में मैं थक चुका था, अकेला था और ये छिप छिप कर जीने से मैं तंग आ चुका था। हाँ, मैं तंग आ चुका था।
I knew Vijay was here, so I thought that my only chance at redemption is if I move here too and build a homestay, which was our long cherished dream together.
और इस बेवकूफ को लगा कि जैसे पहाड़ों में आकर ये शांति ढूंढेगा, जैसे पहाड़ इसको गले लगाकर बोलेगा आजा आजा, तेरा सारा प्रॉब्लम्स मैं दूर करता हूं।
I bought the land and contacted Vijay.
लेकिन जाहिर सी बात है, इसने सबसे पहले मुझे सिर्फ एक बिजनेस पार्टनर का ऑफर दिया, बस एक बिजनेस पार्टनर। A little coward.
अच्छा, एक मजे की बात यह है कि ये जो सेल्फ स्टाइल सो कॉल्ड वेल विशर्स है ना आपके, आपको कभी इनकी जरूरत पड़े तो ये आपके काम नहीं आएंगे। हाँ, लेकिन ये आपको फ्री का ज्ञान और एडवाइस देने के लिए एवर रेडी है। एवर रेडी है।
मुझे तो पहले से ही पता था कि अरुण और मैं कभी एक साथ रह ही नहीं सकते। जैसे कि एक रोमांटिक कॉमेडी का वो सैड एंडिंग, and then one day he called me and here we are.
We run this place together. We live together. I am not a coward anymore.
काटे चाहे जितना परों से हवाओं को, खुद से ना बच पाएगा तू। तोड़ आसमानों को, फूंक दे जहानों को, खुद को छुपा ना पाएगा तू। कोई भी ले रास्ता, तू है तू ले हंसता, अपने ही घर आएगा तू। नादा परिंदे घर आजा, घर आजा, घर आजा, घर आजा।
This is Uma and Joy's story.
Uma,
Hmm.
isn't it not amazing that I still manage to feel so close to you? I mean, despite so many years.
Yeah.
It's almost as if we have never really been apart, you know.
Hmm.
I tell you, this must be that same old charm of mine. But it must be that. Just think of it. Otherwise, how did we manage to pick up right where we had left off?
कितने साल ना?
Yeah. After these many years, we are here celebrating Christmas together.
Yeah.
This house.
I know.
Can't imagine.
God. Always.
That's Hey, but tell me this.
Hmm.
Do you even remember us from back then, or is it just me living in a nostalgic fantasy?
We had no care in the world. Until, of course, reality barged in with a plot twist.
Huh.
Our love for movies, na, theatre, even political views.
Yeah, politics held us through.
That was a bond, na. And then was it morality or practicality that dawned upon us? Such a pity we could make it work,
Yeah.
even though we both felt we were a match made in heaven. It was my fear of public shame,
Hey, come on.
that ended everything between us. For a thing like, I am older than you.
Come on, Uma. In the process, let's not entirely overlook my set of follies.
Hmm.
I also could not. Just could not live up to the responsibility at the time. I was terrified. Absolutely terrified of the repercussions at the moment.
Yeah?
If dodging commitment were a skill,
Hmm.
I sure would have won some world championship somewhere.
And here, we both felt we were leaders of the pack.
Us.
And we crumbled at that crucial moment. I just couldn't hold on to my better judgment and listen to the crowds called it off. For what? For my parents to find me another match. And for him to pass away in 2 years.
Our false beliefs. Our false beliefs are fed to us by some nosy neighbors, distant relatives, or even senile family heads. And what about us? We in our turn seek validation from them. We seek validation from them.
Thanks.
Ah,
Acha, forget it. You remember our drives to India Gate?
of course.
You were so funny back then.
But I have lost that quick wit, I must admit. I am just a master, a natural pro at acting out to be someone who I am not.
Come on.
I get it now, you know. I get it. I get why my ex would not stand me after a while. Just think of this as me giving this another shot.
Thank you.
Absolutely. একটা কথা বলবো?
Hmm.
You
Hmm.
are my safe space.
We're the same. And yet different, eh?
Yeah.
क्या लगाऊं इसे? So tell me, are you still enthusiastic about life? Or are you cynical now?
I am feeling a tad bit extra cynical today.
क्यों?
Just but I promise I am going to give this my full throw.
Okay.
But tell me this, are you setting the rules of the relationship already?
No dramas, please, हाँ? मुझसे नहीं होगा ये sacrificial women role. And essentials must match.
Yeah,
At
absolutely.
this point in life, we both do not have time for any rubbish, please.
No time at all. So you have turned into a high society butterfly.
Yes. And are you one of those patriarchal uncles we used to laugh about?
No, Baba. Ooh.
But listen,
Ah.
our clocks need to sync.
Done.
Do you ever manage to be anywhere on time these days? And hello, I have a dog now. Are you still scared of them?
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে When I'm visiting you, just keep him in some other room now.
No way.
Arey, I promise I'll be there with you every morning to walk him right on time.
I do not need a savior.
You have remained just the same. এবার একটা কথা বলি।
Hmm.
Shift somewhere close to my place now. Enough.
You?
Anything more than 5 kilometers, it is just not conducive for a relationship.
Hmm. That does make sense. It's actually closer to work too.
Bingo.
Again, let's please not talk about shifting into each other's houses.
Arey, nah, I'm not saying that at all. I totally get it. At our age now, this personal space business is a tad bit too important for each of us.
Thank God you agree.
है ना? It's almost like we are checking each other's boxes in the second round.
Hmm.
By the way,
Ah.
I was thinking of asking you something.
इतना डरते हुए.
Tell me this,
Hmm.
are you still uncomfortable discussing physical intimacy? I'll tell you where I'm coming from. Too much of morality and I start feeling like I'm in a never-ending school.
There was a time. I mean, I used to think, good girls don't talk sex.
And now?
पर अब इतने सालों बाद यार, if our vibes don't match, wouldn't we be two peas in a very mismatched pod?
Damn! Are we finally starting to make sense to each other?
Maybe.
है सच ये जीना था पाप तुम बिन ये पाप मैंने किया है अब तक मगर है मन में छवि तुम्हारी मगर है मन में छवि तुम्हारी कि जैसे मंदिर में लो देखी छुपा लो यूं दिल में प्यार मेरा के जैसे मंदिर में लो देखी छुपा लो यूं दिल में प्यार मेरा के जैसे मंदिर में लो देखी छुपा लो यूं दिल में प्यार मेरा
This is Shubhit's story.
Okay, Baba, you are losing the game today.
जानबूझ के हार रहा हूँ बेटा, ज्यादा खुश मत हो। बस बेटा चाहता हूँ तेरे चेहरे पर एक मुस्कान आए, तेरी चिन गर्व से ऊंचा हो जाए और छाती छप्पर इंच तक फैल जाए।
Tano?
क्योंकि आज मैं तुझे एक ऐसी ऑफर देने वाला हूँ जिसे तू इतनी आसानी से रिफ्यूज नहीं कर पाएगा।
Okay, very interesting. She offered the key, Baba?
बेटा बस चाहता हूँ फैमिली बिजनेस को तू आगे लीड कर, उसे इंटरनेशनल बना। बस मुझे अब थोड़ा आराम करने का मन है, थोड़ा इंटरनेशनल ट्रिप पे जाएंगे, गोल्फ शॉल्फ खेलेंगे एंड I also want to tell my friends बेटा that my son is a star, a superhero in fact.
But Baba, tell me one thing. Okay, why does our society only consider those men successful who are like a CEO, a managing director, investment banker or some big shop? তার মানে society only judges men by the money they have or their professional stature. बाकी सबाई पप्पू and all.
Oh बेटा प्लीज कम ऑन, आज अगर तेरे दादाजी जिंदा होते तो मैं उनको कहता कि पापा लो इसके भी मेरी तरह कान मरोड़ो और समझाओ कि बिजनेस में सक्सेसफुल होना क्यों जरूरी है। बेटा आई ऑल्सो वांटेड टू बी अ प्रोफेसर लाइक योर मदर, But your Dadaji never really gave me an option. Left with two choices. Either my passions or your Bengali mother, the love of my life. She was an amazing artist, beta. Amazing one.
Yes, Papa.
And a brilliant professor. I still miss her a lot.
I know, Papa. I know.
ये मैं हूं जी फ्रेम में, ये मेरा पोता है और ये मेरा ऑलवेज नालायक बेटा। ये लोग मुझे चैन से मरा भी नहीं रहने देंगे। क्या बातें कर रहे हैं? अपने बाप को पूछ रहा है काम करना क्यों जरूरी है। अगर मैं जिंदा होता ना, इसकी अकल 2 मिनट में ठिकाने लगा देता। लेकिन ये इसकी गलती नहीं है, इसके बाप की गलती है। अरे घर के चिराग को उसकी जिम्मेदारियों का एहसास दिलाना पड़ता है साहब, है? उनके बेसिक्स क्लियर करने पड़ते हैं। हाँ, और ऐसे चॉइस तो देते ही नहीं हैं। कभी कंट्रोल नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए अपने बच्चों पर। चाबी है ना, हमेशा अपने पास ही रखनी चाहिए। और एक बात बताओ, कौन बाप अपने बेटे से ऐसे बात कर रहा है? लो, कर दी उसने ऑफर रिफ्यूज, और मारो फिल्मी डायलॉग। हे भगवान, ये सब मैं क्या सुन रहा हूं भाई।
Now make your move, finish the game fast. याद भी है आज दादाजी का बरसी है. We have to get ready for the puja.
Yes, Papa.
Hey, pass me the chandan.
Baba, this Hidur Daur, this obsession to amass more wealth, is this heritage, Baba? I get it. I get it, Baba, that we do our jobs to pay our bills, right? But these bills cannot be fueled by bottomless greed, right?
Pass me the diya.
Baba, why don't you understand? This makes me a modern day slave. Is this my life's only purpose? This is a capitalist disease, Baba, and I'm not ready for it. I mone kori na you have to be a CEO, a billionaire, some big shot to only be considered successful in life.
इस दुनिया में जहां सर्वाइवल ऑफ द फिटेस्ट है, यहाँ तुम्हारे पास इस रेस में भाग ना लेने का कोई ऑप्शन है नहीं बेटा. Every man, beta, me, every man has to do it. Now come on, pass me the plate. आज के टाइम पे तुम्हारी जरूरतें सिर्फ अपनी ही हैं. तुम किसी के लिए जिम्मेदार नहीं हो बेटा. That is the problem. समाज ने अपनी क्रूर चक्की में तुम्हें अभी पीसा नहीं, so you are not even aware of your full potential. All that I want to tell you really, beta, you can call it capitalist greed or whatever, but this world runs on give and take. And we men are in this race no matter how we like it or not. We don't really have an option. आरती कर लो.
Give and take, right, Baba? Give and take. Okay, how does this work? This give and take? No, it clearly seems like some people are getting more than what they deserve. The rich keeps getting richer and the poor people are just paying the price. আমরা আসলে একটা extremely self-centered পৃথিবীতে বেঁচে আছি, তাই না বাবা?
बेटा, बेस्ट पाने के लिए बेस्ट बनना पड़ता है. कोयला दबाव में हीरा बनता है, यही सच है. हाँ, काम क्या है, कितना है, कब तक करना है ये सब सवाल जो हम एक दूसरे पर उछाल सकते हैं. I was exactly like this at your age. But Dadaji never gave me an option. He ensured that I fall in line. I may have been unhappy then, but so what? I may not have been able to pursue my passions then, but so what? In the long run, I am much more secure. And today, see, everyone praises me for how I have maintained the family business well and been a good son to my father. Beta, now it's your turn. Your turn to be my good son and pay the price. लो देखो, तुम्हारे चक्कर में ये माला रह गया.
Unhappy good son, right, Baba? Unhappy good son. Oh, why can't I do things that I really like? You know, be successful on my own terms. How does that make me a bad son? Why will it always be that the family legacy dictates what I have to do? আর বাবা কেন কিছু কাজকে অন্য কাজের থেকে বেশি সম্মানজনক বলে মনে করা হয়? এই ডিসক্রিমিনেশনটা কেন বাবা?
क्या मुसीबत है, फ्रेम के अंदर भी चेन नहीं लेने दे रहे हैं. अगर भाई हमारे पास तो कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं था उस जमाने में. हमें तो काम ही करना था और मुझे इसका कोई भी अफसोस नहीं है. बल्कि मैं तो कहूंगा मेरा काम ही मेरी पहचान है. और ये लोग ख्वाहिशों की बातें कर रहे हैं. अरे भाई साहब, सब जवानी का जोश है, मैं बता रहा हूं, ठंडा हो जाएगा जब असली जिंदगी काटनी पड़ेगी. अरे ख्वाहिशों का क्या है? ख्वाहिशें तो हजारों होती हैं, इंसान खत्म हो जाते हैं, ख्वाहिशें फिर भी रह जाती हैं. इसीलिए तो वो एक गजल है ना, क्या थी? हाँ, हजारों ख्वाहिशें ऐसी कि हर ख्वाहिश पे दम निकले. हजारों ख्वाहिशें ऐसी कि हर ख्वाहिश पे दम निकले. और बहुत निकले मेरे अरमां, मगर फिर भी कम निकले, कम निकले.
Why doesn't all kinds of job get the equal respect? You know, those who toil the hardest, the laborers, the farmers, the soldiers, Baba, even the garbage collector. He is the one who is doing the real essential job. But no, in our society, their work is simply worthless. And tarupore, caste and creed comes into the picture. How are we doing it right? Everything we are doing, how is it right, Baba?
Beta, you can't question these structures. Our society is built on these structures and it is functioning today because of these structures. Okay. Forget about everyone else. You worry about yourself now.
Yes, Baba.
Then you don't want to work towards it.
I'm not saying that.
You want me to take care of you all your life?
No, Baba.
Stop being a brat.
Okay, I get it. You want me to be financially independent. You want me to earn money, right?
Yes, of course.
I get that. Now tell me one thing. How much? How much money does it define my success? Who decides that?
भाई साहब, कुछ लोग सिर्फ बाप बनकर संतुष्ट नहीं होते, उन्हें अपने बच्चों का दोस्त भी बनना है. क्यों भाई? अरे दोस्ती की इतनी सारी वैरायटी मार्केट में सब पहले से मौजूद है. फेसबुक फ्रेंड्स, क्लोज फ्रेंड्स, गर्लफ्रेंड्स, बॉयफ्रेंड्स. पिछली बार स्वर्ग में नारद जी आए थे और बता रहे थे आजकल हाफ गर्लफ्रेंड्स बॉयफ्रेंड्स भी है. हाफ हो सकता हो पार्ट टाइम बॉयफ्रेंड्स गर्लफ्रेंड्स भी हो. भाई मुझे नहीं पता. मैं जरा आउट ऑफ टच हूँ. तो ऐसे में आप सिर्फ बाप बनकर क्यों नहीं रह सकते? और अगर नहीं रह सकते तो आपको ऐसी नॉनसेंस सुननी पड़ेगी. नॉनसेंस.
जैसे कि तुमने 12वीं पास की थी, तुम्हारे सपने थे फैमिली गारमेंट बिजनेस को आगे ले जाना। इसलिए तुमने फैशन डिजाइनिंग की कोर्स की कि फैमिली बिजनेस को आगे ले जाके हेल्प कर सके। फिर तुम्हारे पे एक्टिंग का भूत सवार हुआ और कर लिए तुमने ज्वाइन वो हॉबी एक्टिंग की कोर्स। आई अलाउड ऑल ऑफ दैट ऑन द ओनली कंडीशन कि तुम फैमिली बिजनेस को भी ध्यान दोगे। बेटा, पिछले 30 सालों में तुम्हारे पे मैंने एटलीस्ट 30 लाख रुपए खर्चे हैं। And you want me to stand down today? All my businessmen friends are going to say that I am the idiot, that I am suffering this loss. बिल्कुल नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं। I listened to my father, so shall you.
30 लाख डूबने वाले हैं। 30 लाख और ये हम भी गिड़गिड़ा रहा है। भाई लोगों का तो पता नहीं, लेकिन मुझे पता है असली गधा कौन है। पैसे के मामले में तू किस लिए सिक्योर है बता जरा। मेरी वजह से। अरे क्योंकि मैंने पैसा संभाल के रखा, ना उड़ाया और ना उड़ाने दिया। अरे पड़ोसी शर्मा जी कहते कहते रह गए, भाई साहब वर्ल्ड टूर पर साथ चल लो, है जी, वर्ल्ड टूर पर साथ चल लो। लेकिन मैंने उनकी एक ना सुनी। बस बनारस हरिद्वार, बनारस हरिद्वार, इनसे ही काम चलाता रहा। काश काश मैंने उनकी सुन ली होती। सोनू मेरे बेटे, वक्त रहते संभल जा, नहीं तो बहुत वक्त आएगा।
Baba, listen to me. This whole thing that you have to work till 60 and only then you retire, আমি তো পারবো না বাবা। I am not meant for it. আচ্ছা, you believe that life এ সবকিছুর একটা ব্যালেন্স মেইনটেইন করে চলা উচিত?
Of course.
Like a balance between your life, your hobbies, your passion, your work, your family.
Yes.
This is what I learned from Ma.
अरे भगवान, तूने मुझे इतनी जल्दी क्यों उठा लिया? 95 साल कोई उम्र होती है मरने की, बताइए। आई लर्न फ्रॉम मॉम। अरे यार, मुझे नफरत थी उस बंगाली औरत से। उसके चक्कर में मुझे अंग्रेजी सीखनी पड़ गई। उसी की भाषा में बोल रहा हूँ। These Bengalis are all mad. मेरे सख्त बेटे को सॉफ्ट रसगुल्ला बना दिया। अरे where is my businessman son and grandson? है? मेरा सांस फूल रहा है। मुझे घबराहट हो रही है, मुझे लग रहा है मुझे फिर से हार्ट अटैक आ रहा है। और ये हार्ट अटैक मुझे मेरे पोते की वजह से नहीं, ना 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 ना, मेरे बेटे की वजह से आ रहा है, नालायक कहीं का।
কপালের ফের নইলে কি আর পাখিটির মন ব্যবহার। আরে কপালের ফের নইলে কি আর পাখিটির মন ব্যবহার। খাঁচা ভেঙে পাখি আমার, খাঁচা ভেঙে পাখি আমার কোনখানে পালায়, কেমনে আসে যায় খাঁচার ভেতর অচিন পাখি, কেমনে আসে যায়।
Finally, it's time for Snigdha's story. My best friend. Snigdha, talk now. Go. Go.
माँ, मुझे आपसे बात करनी है। बोलो बेटा, you have to get ready and leave.
Beware, it's a favorite trick. Your Majesty is always in a rush and never has time. But my dear, you have all the time in the world. So just relax, take a deep breath, and spill it out. Let me go on the trek with Shubhit.
Oh, not again.
Ma, you've known him since childhood. Why can't you trust the fact that you have raised me well and I would know right from wrong?
या पापा ना ठीक कहते हैं तुम्हारे, मैंने ही बिगाड़ दिया है तुम्हें। इतनी आजादी दी और वो भी कम पड़ गई। God, we've taken you now to so many trips across the globe. और वो student exchange program to New Zealand, I sent you there too. God, Snigdha, your father had warned me, okay? Just take this sari and get ready for the party.
My goodness! Now she is taking credit for your New Zealand trip. Listen, I vividly remember when you were in New Zealand, she was blaming poor Avinash all the time. Papa ko? Seriously? Yes, poor Avinash. Oi, Papa bol, respect se baat kar. He has my sympathies. Respect? Okay, respect. Better. What a way to get respect. Now concentrate on your majesty. Sure, she's got more life experience than me and probably means well. But if I don't start trying things for myself, how will I ever manage this life gig? Does she want me to stay in one place, wrapped up in bubble wrap and be treated like a perpetual toddler?
Snigdha, will you stop talking to that ugly, smelly toy of yours? God, it's all been a big mistake. I should have been like other mothers, strict and not given you any freedom. Oof. Only sent you to a finishing school. What are you doing to your sari?
But why? Why not let me try things for myself and learn to get back up? Telling me you can travel alone is like saying you can drive a car while I'm still stuck on learning how to ride a bicycle. How long do I have to wait to do things that Bhai gets without a second thought? Oof. I don't get why there are different rules for us, Ma.
Stop it.
When will you notice my worth?
Oh,
Ma, we're playing the same game here.
yeah.
So you need freedom to commit mistakes, to fall and learn. You are a very demanding girl. Oof! Itni freedom. Even poor Avinash does not have that kind of freedom. Shut up now. Let me focus. Ma!
Uh-huh. It's not about trust. It's the mess society is in. Have you seen the garbage in the newspapers? God, I am your mom. I worry about you. And you are too naive and nobody can be trusted. If something was to go wrong, we will not be able to move around in this society. किसी को भी मुंह दिखाने के हम लायक नहीं रहेंगे, स्निग्धा.
Okay, Ma, this is between us. I'm looking out for your happiness and you're looking out for mine.
Yeah.
Right? Yet, somehow, society keeps barging in with its brilliant logic of what will people say? Because clearly that's the ultimate authority on everything, right?
Yes, we stay in a society. And society के कुछ do's and don'ts होते हैं. हमारी जो जी में आई हम नहीं कर सकते. I have fought for you to get a nice education, learn Kathak. No gratitude you've got. उफ, हमारे जमाने में लड़कियों को ये सब कुछ भी अलाउड नहीं होता था. तुम्हें तो सब चाहिए. जो मिल रहा है उसमें तुम खुश नहीं रह सकती.
Thanks for the nice education, Ma.
God.
But was it just to turn me into a future good wife? The woman in me wants a chance to live, experience and actually use that nice education, na? Your Highness, उस bully को right direction क्यों नहीं दिखाती है? इसे अब भाई को उसने क्या किया? कल आधी रात के बाद घर में घुसा. Give it. मिनी शॉर्ट्स पहने था. मैंने खुद अपनी आंखों से देखा. But she didn't utter a single word. about his shorts or late night. He was also smelling of beer. Ew. Why society is silent about him? Ha ha, ye joke tha.
Snigdha, I can see you. You're again talking to that ugly, smelly toy. इतनी बड़ी हो गई हो और अभी भी अपने बचपन के टॉय के साथ तुम बात करती हो and then you want me to take you seriously? God, can you please get ready?
You and your society have double standards, ma. मतलब यहाँ कपड़ों से डिसाइड होता है who's decent enough.
हर सिचुएशन की एक मर्यादा होती है and I am on no mission to change society. शॉर्ट्स पहनो ना, घर पे पहनो. अब कल को तुम बोलोगी बिकनी पहन के मॉल जाना है. Should I allow?
यही तो माँ, ये सब क्या है? जीन्स पहनो तो सही, शॉर्ट्स पहनो तो नहीं. शॉर्ट्स घर पर पहनो तो सही, बाहर मत पहनो. अगर हम लड़कियां बाहर के लोगों के हिसाब से अपने कपड़े बदलती रहेंगी तो वो भी घूरते ही रहेंगे. उनका माइंडसेट चेंज करने की जरूरत है, हमारे कपड़े नहीं. सोसाइटी को चेंज करना डिफिकल्ट नहीं है, पर अपने आप को चेंज करना डिफिकल्ट है. लड़के और लड़के की अपब्रिंगिंग एक जैसी हो तो कैसा रहे? Same kind of upbringing without any discrimination. This is what I think. Sincerely yours, ugly and smelly toy. Ha!
तुम्हें याद है? I even allowed you to learn swimming. What your proper swimsuit? Not the ones that cover the whole body. And वो off-shoulder blouse. किसने allow किया था वो? तुम्हारी friend की पार्टी के लिए? God, अब वो पहन के सड़क पे तो नहीं जा सकती ना? तुम्हारी शादी हो जाए ना स्निग्धा, अपने पति के घर में जाके जो जी में आया करना.
Yes, that's the other thing. You want me to be chaperoned and kept in the custody of Papa, Bhaiya, or of course, my future pati.
हर चीज समय पे अच्छी लगती है. I had you when I was 26.
Not again.
I was fit to take care of you and then my career. 35 पे शादी करोगी ना, फिर डील करना अपने infertility traumas के साथ. God, I am not going to allow any of this. अभी 23 पे लड़का ढूंढना शुरू करेंगे तो ही तो 25-26 पे जाके कुछ फाइनल होगा ना.
Sometimes I pity you all. You do everything except living happily. You don't live life, you just plan it. और प्लान क्या करते हैं? 3 साल की उम्र में बेबी प्ले स्कूल में, 22-23 तक नाइस एजुकेशन, देन गेट अ कॉर्पोरेट जॉब, 25 में शादी, 27 में बच्चा, देन रिटायर एट 60. और लास्टली मिलता क्या है? 40 में बीपी, 45 में डायबिटीज, 60 में हार्ट अटैक. और फाइनली भगवान. But shouldn't the criteria for marriage be that you find the right person that you can be friends with for keeps? Shouldn't the reasons for marriage be deeper than the argument? ये बिल्कुल सही उम्र है शादी की. ये सही उम्र होती क्या है? क्या होती है सही उम्र? और कौन डिसाइड करता है? क्या ये सबके लिए अलग नहीं हो सकती?
मैं भी तो यही कह रही हूँ. I don't want you to marry the first boy you meet. God, अब ये तो हद ही हो गई. प्लान क्या है तुम्हारा? कल को बोलोगी माँ कैबरे डांस सीखना है. गॉड, हमारी इज्जत की कोई भी परवाह है? कभी सोचा है शीला आंटी क्या बोलेंगी?
Sheila auntie is very lucky because she has smartphones and programmable dumb kids.
আমি না দিলাম কুলিতে কালি কলম কিরি জ্বালা না হয় হইল সে মরে অঙ্গেরি মালা আমার ঘর বান্ধিবি পথ বান্ধিবি কপাল বান্ধিবি কেমনে আমার হাত বান্ধিবি পা বান্ধিবি মন বান্ধিবি কেমনে আমার ঘর বান্ধিবি পথ বান্ধিবি কপাল বান্ধিবি কেমনে আমার ঘর বান্ধিবে পথ বান্ধিবে কপাল বান্ধিবে কেমনে
Well, when I hear your stories from life, I just think that why do we even care about society's opinions?
Yeah.
We've made life so difficult for ourselves.
इसी चुंगल में फंसे फंसे जिंदगी कब निकल जाती है हमें पता ही नहीं चलता. Strange, isn't it? लाइफ के इतने इतने धक्के खाने के बाद ही हमें असली चीजों की अहमियत पता चलती है.
We are all creatures of habit, terrified of change.
Yeah.
You know? When we can't muster the courage to lead life on our own terms, we delight in trying to sabotage those who do. It's very impossible to realize how life will pan out in its own terms.
True.
You know, trying. Good structures, good rules, but they need to be humane, fluid, inclusive,
True.
and also understanding of our differences.
Yeah.
You know, Snigdha, I was thinking, how about we stay here for a month, okay? And learn how to run a homestay. Come on, I mean, it's
Ooh.
worth giving a shot in life, right? Huh?
बारिश रुक गई है. Let's go for a walk and discuss.
Structures, duties, responsibilities. These stereotypes are without context to people. I won't get sucked in. I want to live my life peacefully and let others live their life in peace.
कुछ रीत जगत की ऐसी है हर एक सुबह की शाम हुई तू कौन है तेरा नाम है क्या सीता भी यहाँ बदनाम हुई फिर क्यों संसार की बातों में कहीं बीत न जाए रहना कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे लोगों का काम है कहना लोग राय की बातों में कहीं बीत न जाए रहना कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे लोगों का काम है कहना
I'll just take 2 minutes to introduce my cast and the team. Come back. So you can see everybody not introduced again, 2 times again, like yesterday. Meghlana, Arundhati, Shetati, Tushar, Sangeeta, Yui, Priyadarshi. So thank you to Sangeeta Banerjee, Ashish Banerjee, Satish Krishnamurthy for the whole videography and all of that and photographs. I want to thank Shobana there and Madhura. Also, Ruma Gupta, Siddhartha Gupta, the founding pillars of you know, this is a 58-year-old amateur theatre group in Delhi. It's extremely difficult to do this work without any backing, without financial flows all the time. They are still here, and the legacy we are trying to continue. I think we're really doing our best. And that is only possible for a couple of reasons, because of all of you. So we need more people like you, because for independent art to exist, to survive, to thrive, and to tell the stories which we are trying to tell today, which are not mainstream and which are not commonly seen in popular media, we need all of you to support us, connect with us, collaborate with us, be there for us, contribute. And lastly, I want to just say, it's really personal. I think in the theatre space, in our country, there are very few women directors. It has taken me a long time to come to this place. I cannot do this work, others can't do this, so support more women, tell women in your family to pursue this, and support and collaborate and be there for them. Thank you everybody. Oh, sorry, I forgot this yesterday also. Because I talked about contribution. We do have a channel, so if you would like to contribute as you like, we'll put it up for you. We also have a couple of QR codes, so you can contribute and pay as you like. Thank you so much for being a great audience.